This is Ruhanika Thawan and I have just turned 13 and I'm a child actor by profession and also a learner. I first started acting 7 to 8 years ago. I was spotted by a casting director in a mall and I got my very first TVC, which was a Dettol TVC.
Multi-use disinfectant, Dettol, be 100% sure.
And after that, there was no stopping. I went for loads of auditions and got lots of opportunities too. And then I finally got my very first TV show. It was a cameo role. I played the role of Ashi. But they loved me so much that they ended up extending the show and I ended up shooting for 45 days. Fun fact, the show was based on the movie Hey Baby. The show's name was Mrs. Kaushiki Paach Bahue and it used to come on Zee TV. Then I got the show Ye Hai Mohabbatein. I played the character Ruhi and that show lasted for 6 years. This show gave me a lot of name and fame. Till date, if I'm out in the mall or at the streets, people say, "Hey Ruhi," so they all recognize me. That's very nice. I also played a double role. I played the character Pihu too. I practically grew up on the show. For this show, I went abroad for many events and shows with the whole unit. And I think this show will be very close to my heart.
मोहब्बतें का सफ़र बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है और इससे बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हैं क्योंकि मैं बचपन से ये है मोहब्बतें का हिस्सा रही हूँ।
Back then, I did not do any formal training, but now, yes, to make my craft better, I am doing speech and drama and theatre classes and will be giving my grade 4 Trinity exam soon. When I was 4 or 6, I don't think any child of that age would require any formal training. I don't think it's needed, but that's my opinion. Currently, studies are my top priority, so they're my passion too. But acting has my heart, and I know for sure whenever you give your heart to something, you have to excel at it. It has to be exceptional, it has to be beautiful. And when I grow big, I know I have to take up acting as my career. But right now, I have to focus on my academics. So I'm attending school regularly, I'm doing my co-curriculars regularly, and whenever I have a shoot or I have an opportunity, I make sure it's on the weekend so that my academics don't suffer. This I will definitely have to give it to my parents because of their strong roots and great upbringing, they never let it get to my head. And I'm sure in the future it will never get to my head. I have been a very regular child at school, in the park and at home. So my parents won't encourage any special privileges or benefits being given to me just because I'm a child actor, and I think that's how I stay grounded. I haven't made any lifestyle changes being a child actor. My mom has been very strict regarding that and she's made sure that I pay a lot of attention to my academics. I attend school and do all my classes. So my schedule was after grade 1, I used to go to shoot only on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays, that too after school. So the rest of the days I was attending school, doing all my co-curriculars and classes. Five tips for kids to face the camera. Number 1, never be nervous. Be calm, because when you're nervous, it's seen. Number 2, try and relate it to your real life. So you're in a scene and you have to say, "I don't like broccoli," or "I don't like this vegetable." I'm sure you must have done that in real life too. Then it looks natural and it looks good. Number 3, no makeup, not for auditions, and I stress no makeup for kids. Number 4, be confident about yourself. So even if you goof up, it's completely okay. you can always do a retake. Number 5, there's always room for improvisation, so improvise. If you're so passionate about acting, then you certainly have given your heart to it, and it is bound to happen. So I suggest go for the right auditions, give your best, and try till you crack it. Audition tips. Be cool, be calm, be confident, and give it your best. Now I will recite a para from a poem for you all. The Gruesome Ghoul by Jack Pilatsky. The gruesome ghoul, the grisly ghoul, without the slightest noise, waits patiently beside the school to feast on girls and boys. He lunges fiercely through the air as they come out to play, then grabs the couple by the hair and drags them far away. I hope you liked every little thing I shared here. I hope to see you all soon. Ciao!